What's up YouTube, it's Shane here with Paper and Diamond Hands Trading and Investing. I just want to go through some recent news with you guys about Bitcoin, because I know a lot of people have been excited about Bitcoin, asking about Bitcoin. It's funny, I actually started for me with getting my hair cut. My barber had actually asked about a few stocks and he's like, what's the deal with Bitcoin? You know, like how do you get into that? What are the intricacies of that? You know, why is it going up? And, you know, being able to explain that to him was really exciting. And he was wondering, you know, how can you get involved with Bitcoin? So, you know, we do have a few apps out there where you can buy the Bitcoin through the app, you know, such as BlockFi, and we have a Coinbase and whatnot, but we haven't really had a way to buy it on the stock market. So as of yesterday, we now have an app where we can get it on the stock market. We're going to go through that today. We're going to go through the American version and the Canadian version, which are both available on the TSX. We're going to go through the company that's doing it. We're going to look at their management fees, and we're going to look at kind of you know, what's the risk of that? Why does it keep going up and up and up? So we're going to break right into that. We're going to have a little bit of fun here today. So first off, we got our news. You know, Yahoo Finance popped it up, as well as a bunch of other sites. We have our first exchange traded fund ETF, which tracks the price of Bitcoin. So they do actually physically buy the Bitcoin as well. So you do have the Bitcoin when you do buy the ETF. So the first one we have here is we have the BTCC-B.TO, TO being the Toronto Stock Exchange. So this is our Canadian version. This is in Canadian dollars. You can see kind of here at the top, price in Canadian dollars. And then we also have the American dollars price in US dollars. Now this seems a little confusing. Oh, it's like the same price. Wouldn't the American one be better? I do believe they're different ratios. I haven't been able to find the actual ratio of dollars to Bitcoin. I'm still looking. If anyone knows or can figure it out, put a comment in the comments below. Let me know, because I'm still been trying to search for it. So we'll just go through a quick kind of history of Bitcoin over the last little bit. So this is Bitcoin in Canadian dollars, and then we have our Bitcoin in American dollars. So of course, just recently we broke that $50,000 mark. Just got in there, and then it's still kind of been going up and up and up. So we're pushing our resistance line up over and over and over. So this is our year to date since the start of the year. You know, we got our 1 year, like it's just taken off. So since February of last year, you know, like we were down around $9,600, and we are now at 54,900 American. So it's just crazy, keeps taking off and whatnot. So I'm just going to go into real quickly the company that's doing it. The company that's doing it is Purpose Investments. They are the first in North America to come out with an ETF you can actually buy through the stock market. And some of the cool things about this company is they also have a few other investments as well, but here it is, your Purpose Bitcoin ETF. Their management fee is 1%. I feel like it's a little bit high, but you know, it gives you your exposure to Bitcoin for 1% of your profits and whatnot. We'll dive in a little bit better. Those of you that are in Canada, it's really cool as well, because it is eligible for the TFSA. I do all of my trading, every dollar, under a TFSA. It's completely tax-free. Dividends are tax-free. Capital gains are tax-free. You can put money in, take it out. Any money you take out, you can put in the next year. It's great. It can also go in your RRSP. So if it's something you're like, oh, you know, I'm just going to put some money in there for the long hold, you can do that. Leave it in there 20, 30 years. Who knows? Bitcoin could be in the millions by then. There's your retirement. It's looking good. So these guys did a really good job of not only introducing the ETF, but also making it available under the TFSA tax umbrella and the RRSP umbrella. So it's just awesome. Everything's really secure. You know, we got our performance for the last few years. Like I was saying, 1% management fee. Yeah, and the big Bitcoin is just growing and growing and growing. I don't personally invest in Bitcoin because I still don't quite understand the hype of it, but I do feel like it's something that's going to keep going up in the future, and hopefully you guys can make a bit of money too with this new ETF. Thanks a lot.